In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can create a website using Divi within 5 minutes. So if that sounds interesting and you also want to see how fast you can create a website using Divi, then let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So here we are in our WordPress backend and let's go ahead and start creating our website. So first, if we take a look at the front end of our site, so this is how it looks. So pretty flat, nothing exciting as such. So let's go ahead and make it exciting. So we go back here in our dashboard and we go to pages and create a new one first. So let's call it home page and let's publish this page. And now let's use the Divi builder. And now we are back with the three options. Do we want to start from scratch? Do we want to use the pre-made layouts, or do we have any existing template that we want to use? In this case, we are going to use the pre-made layouts. So let's click on browse. And here are the hundreds of layouts that you can use to create this site. So right now, depending upon what category of business website you are creating, you can choose the options from here. So let's say you are building a business website. And here are some templates that you can use. So maybe we can create a website for a SaaS company. Let's click on this. And now we have 7 layouts in this template. So right now we are creating our home page. So maybe we can use this landing page layout. So if we click here, we can see the preview on the left hand side. So right now we need to select this landing page and then click on use this layout. So let's click here. And then within just a few seconds, all the things will be imported in our site. Alright, so now we have all the template elements added on this page. And now if we just click on save from here, and then refresh our front end. So this is how our front end will look. We have the navigation on the top. We have the template that we have just imported. So now all we have to do is go back in our WordPress dashboard and go to settings under reading. Here we need to assign our home page as our main home page. After this, let's go ahead and click on save changes. Alright, so now our home page is updated. This is how it looks. And now we can go back and create a new page, let's say about us, then publish this page and then use the Divi builder. Again, we will choose the pre-made layouts. We will select the business category. And here is our SaaS company layout pack. This time we will choose about page and then click on use this layout. So now again, it's going to import all the elements of the page and then create our complete layout. Alright, so now our about us page is also ready. We have this big giant video element here and all the things that we have seen in the template. Now let's go ahead and click on save. And if we exit our visual builder, this is how the front end looks. Now in order to edit any element on this page, all we have to do is just go back in our enable visual builder. And let's say we want to edit this heading here. So now you can see we have this complete section. Under that we have this row and we have these modules. So if we click here, we can change this heading. So maybe we can write something like this. And if we click on this video element, we click on settings. So here we can give the URL of our YouTube videos. So if we remove this one and here we can add a video from this. So here we can insert by URL and then click on insert to post. And now we have our YouTube video added here. We can go ahead and add a WebM file, and we can also add an overlay image like this one. So let's go ahead and update this. So maybe we can use this image. And now we have our thumbnail as our image overlay. So if we save this here, and now we have our proper video showing here. After this, we can go ahead and edit all the elements like the one we have just added. So this is how we can edit any element on this page. And once we are done, we just need to go to this three dots here and then click on save. And if we exit the visual builder, this is how the front end looks. If we go back here in our home page, now we have our home page here. So this is how easy it is to use the starter site templates from Divi and create your complete website within just few minutes. If you want to learn more about Divi, then make sure you check our complete playlist. The link is in the I button above and the video description below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.